Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the Excel file lives and who can access it. Open the file and use the Share menu to view link types and specific people. This shows live permissions. Once done, save a local copy or export a version to preserve data and history before changing access. Make sure to note collaborators and any versioning. That helps you restore access if needed. You now have the prerequisites and are ready to change sharing settings safely. You will now remove open links and tighten permissions. In Share, change link type from anyone to specific people or remove the link entirely and explicitly revoke existing links. Then edit user permissions. Switch editors to view only or remove unneeded users. Once done, check OneDrive/SharePoint advanced permissions to block download or set expiration. Make sure to sign out shared sessions and reset credentials if you finish by verifying that changes took effect. Open File Properties and Permissions, confirm audit logs show revoked links and removed users, and test access in an incognito browser or different account to validate. Once done, notify collaborators about the new access method or provide a secured link. Make sure to update any embedded links or integrations. If things go wrong, check cached credentials, propagation delays across OneDrive/SharePoint, and tenant-wide sharing policies, which can override file settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.